Geologists. Welcome back for another weekly program with the Lois Flagg Library. My name is Brittany Moore, and today I will be showing you guys how to make your own crystals, okay? Happy belated National Geologist Day. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how to create these cool rock crystals that don't take a lot of effort nor a lot of work. So first of all, you're going to need ingredients and supplies. You're going to need borax. That's a common household cleaner that most people have around the house. Also, you're going to need a mask and gloves, and you're going to need some pipe cleaners, as well as some hot to warm water that I warmed in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes in a little paper cup. But you can boil your water if you have that liberty to do so. And you're also going to need about a 1/4 measuring cup to measure out the borax, as well as a utensil to mix the borax mixture into your water. Okay, guys? Right. Alright, guys. So in this clip, I'm showing you guys how I went about creating my geode rock. I took about 4 pipe cleaners total. I had about 5 on the table, but I only used 4. But I just made like one long pipe cleaner by connecting them and twisting them all at the end. Feel free to shape this rock the way you see fit. I was having trouble doing the twisting with my gloves on, so I took it off. But yeah, just shape the rock the way that you see fit. You can be creative at this part. This is just a guide to show you what you could possibly do. But I just made one big long pipe cleaner, and in the next few seconds, you're gonna see me make like circular motions with the pipe cleaner. Guys, so we twisted our geode rock into a circular motion. So we have what we call a solute and a solvent. Our solvent is our water, warm or hot water, and our solute would be the borax. So we're going to place the solute into the solvent, which is the water. And what's happening here is that at this hot to warm temperature, the solution is going to have an excess of the borax crystals, okay? So once we have that excess, it's going to start forming onto our pipe cleaner, and we can get that lovely geode rock, okay? So pretty simple science here. And I'm just going to mix that. Make sure you wear a mask and gloves, and do this with a parent, because borax can have a tendency to be like dust and kind of fly up. So just be careful with that. But we're just going to mix that and mix it and mix it, and then place our geode rock that we created inside of the paper cup. And we're going to let that sit for about 12 to 24 hours. And another tidbit, if you use like distilled water, you can have a clearer rock as well, because the water is really clear. So water quality is everything in this experiment too. You can experiment with different waters if you like. And after those 12 to 24 hours are up, you should have something that looks like this. So guys, as always, just show us how your project came out, and as well, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.